Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of the AlgoRaider platform and show you how we've designed it to make algorithmic trading simple, organized, and accessible. Let's begin with the dashboard. The dashboard acts as your command center. Here you can quickly monitor your overall trading performance, available capital, open positions, and account health, all from a single screen. The performance chart gives you a clear picture of how your portfolio has evolved over time. On the right, you'll find deployment and system health, showing active strategies, uptime, broker connectivity, and execution status. As you scroll down, you can monitor your subscription usage, available credits, API utilization, and overall strategy statistics. The live exposures section provides a consolidated view of all your running positions, while the execution log records every trade placed by the platform. The objective is simple. Instead of opening multiple applications to monitor your trading, AlgoRaider brings everything together into one unified workspace. Now let's move to the profile section. This is where you manage your account settings and broker integrations. AlgoRaider is designed to support both Indian and US markets from the same platform. Depending on your preference, you can enable either market, or work with both simultaneously. You can also connect multiple broker accounts. In this example, you'll notice active connections with DAN, Shunya, and IIFL. Each connection remains independent, allowing you to deploy different strategies across different brokers without any additional setup. Now let's move to what we believe is the heart of the platform, the strategy builder. This is where your trading ideas are transformed into executable strategies. On the right-hand side, you'll find Options AI. Simply describe your market view in plain English, and AlgoRaider will automatically generate the complete strategy structure for you. If you've already created strategies earlier, you'll find them under My Strategies, making it easy to reuse, edit, or deploy them again. For traders who are still learning, the AI Explainer breaks down every strategy into simple language, helping you understand exactly what each condition and action is doing. The keyword section acts as your reference guide, giving you access to supported functions, indicators, operators, and building blocks available within the platform. And before deploying anything, the preview section lets you review the entire strategy to ensure everything is exactly as intended. Finally, once your strategy is ready, sharing it is just as easy. With a single click, you can copy the complete strategy as a JSON file or share it directly with friends or team members. They can import the same strategy into their own AlgoRaider account within seconds, without having to recreate any of the logic. Our goal with AlgoRaider is simple: to reduce the complexity of algorithmic trading and let traders focus on what matters most, their market ideas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you'd like early access to AlgoRaider, feel free to leave a comment or send us a message. We'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!